Welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be the Oden's Eye and Makeup Just for Fun Flora Story Palette. Here is a look at what this looks like. And here is the inside of this palette. Just some really beautiful green purple shades. I see that. Okay. And for some reason, things are just looking different on my viewfinder, so hopefully everything's good. But, yeah, this is just a really pretty palette. I'm really excited. I'm going to have to find a way to mix the greens and the purples because I want to use both. And I kind of just want to do the same look on both eyes because I've got another... I'm actually going to be filming my Temu haul after this video. So I kind of want to get this one done so that way I can try and get the Temu one up because it's going to take me a while because I kind of got a lot of stuff. So, let's start with, you know what? I kind of want to do, or do I? This is like the hardest part. I think I'm going to do purple in the crease and then green on the lid. So let's try that and see what happens. And let's start with the shade Azalea, which is this really pretty purple shade right there. I always say I don't like purple, but then I love how it looks on my eyes. So I'm just a mess. I'm just going to put a light, so very lightest little layer of this down. Then we'll deepen it up with another shade, and then we will go in. This shit, there is a crap ton of kick up. Can you see that? Like, that's crazy. Like, I was being so gentle too when I was tapping the brush, dipping the brush in. And like, kick up is okay. Doesn't look like it's ended up on my face, so it's fine. It's just, I know that bothers some people, so if it happens, I try to show you. It's just sometimes it's hard for it to show up on camera, but I think that one was pretty good. Yeah, like, I'm not going in and like stabbing, but I also, like, I think I've heard like purples are really hard like shades to make. So that could be some of it. But it's beautiful shade. Like, I am loving it. Alright, so I got that down. I have to go in with the shade Orchid right here. Just to deepen that up a little bit. Just the teeny tiniest little bit. That looks so beautiful. Okay. And again, there is quite a bit of kick up with this shade as well, but I'm not really upset about it. Alright. That's really pretty. Now I want to go in with one of these beautiful green shades for the lid. I'm not sure which one I want to go in with. And here I'll show you, there was kick up on that one too. Okay, that one's harder to see. I promise you it's there. Okay. Now, I'm going to go in with the shade Misty, which is this shade right here. Because it's more of a true green. The other one that I was thinking about using is more of a blue green. And I want a true green going down. I just love the amount of sparkle in this shade. Like, oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Just stunning. That is just amazing. One of these days, I'm going to try that NYX glitter glue and see if it makes these shimmer shades, like, just pop anymore. I mean, this is already, like, amazing, but I hear everybody talk about how amazing it is, so I actually do have a little bottle of it somewhere. I've just never used it. And I don't really know why, other than it's just not really something I really think about. But I mean, like, do you see this glitter? The shimmer? I just can't even imagine it, like, being any more amazing. Okay, I'm gonna do that lower lash line. And I'm gonna do the shade Sage, which is right here. And then I think I'm gonna blend it out with another shade. I just want to get this down first. Okay. All right. Now, I want to take the shade Clover, which is the shade right here. And I just want to buff that lower lash line out with the shade. Just to kind of give it a more of a green, grungy look. Alright, now for that lower inner corner highlight, we are going to use the shade Dawn, which is this shade right here. Holy crap. This is like the coolest shade. I thought it was going to be more of a green, but it's got like some orangish red in it too. This is like so pretty. I'm going to try and swatch this for you guys because I want you to see how amazing it is, and I feel like it's too hard to see under my eyes. Okay. And I'm so fair-skinned, so I hope this shows up okay. Right there. There we go, a little bit. Like, can you see that shift? Can you see it if I bring it up? There you go. I hope you guys can see that. Like, I'm sorry. I'm just so fair. Like, really, really light shades just don't show up on me. Okay. I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. So I'm back and this is the finished look. And again, if you guys can just see that gorgeous, that purple and that green shimmer. Oh, they just look beautiful together. I really love how this look came out. And again, it was with the Oden's Eye and Makeup Just for Fun Flora Story palette. I'm trying to find, there we go, like the right angle so you guys can like see how beautiful the packaging really is. And again, here are those beautiful shades. And yeah, that is it for this video. So thank y'all so much. There's going to be a Temu haul being posted soon. I'm actually going to film that right after this. And yeah, I'm doing my best to film every weekend. So there should be videos coming up every Tuesday and Friday night, 6 p.m. Central Time. So thank y'all so much for sticking around, for watching this video, for supporting my channel. It means the world to me. Just know that you're loved, you're amazing, don't give up on your dreams, and just I hope you have a wonderful day, night, or morning, whatever it is, wherever you happen to be, and I will see y'all in the next one.